Steel Sword Cane. In terms of quick-draw weaponry, metal sword canes really take the cake. A strong pull at the grip, and just like that, the blade springs to your command. Despite being unauthorized in some parts of America, this cane strikes a balance between fashion-forward, appeal, and lethal functionality without coming off as an unattractive piece of healthcare apparatus. What you get is a delightful carbon steel sword hidden within an obsidian aluminum stem. The Guardian Steel Sword Cane boasts a length of 25 inches or 63.5 centimeters. The sturdy handle, crafted from fiber nylon, ensures a firm hold and is equipped with a rubber-ended tip. This design minimizes the danger of slipping on diverse surfaces for more secure handling. Tactical Gauntlet. This covert gadget comes equipped with a built-in knife and twin throwers, guaranteeing that you're ready for any unexpected danger. The concealed retractable steel blade is 6 inches or 15 centimeters and will take your enemies by surprise, leaving you with an advantage in battle situations. It is mounted on the wrist with Velcro straps and housed inside a sheath made from PU and nylon canvas. In addition to the main weapon, this gauntlet kit comes with 2 compact 5.5-inch or 14-centimeter thrower blades, each possessing a sharp tip up to 2.75 inches or 7 centimeters. The blade can be rapidly released by sliding an attached lever, given its discreet nature and lethal potential. There are many countries that have banned this nifty weapon. Chaos Double Edge. Heroes of today now have access to a unique range of tactical fixed blades, ingeniously crafted while drawing inspiration from the iconic trench knives utilized during both World Wars. These blades are designed to meet and conquer today's multifaceted challenges. It boasts a sturdy knuckle guard connected to an unyielding handle made from fortified aluminum. The blade measures 7.5 inches or 19 centimeters with an overall span of 13.5 inches or 35 centimeters. Despite being less distinctive compared to others in its category, the double edge outshines them all in versatility, making it banned in many places. Its use extends beyond merely making a statement and is practical for slicing tough substances like rope, nylon, or wood. Coin Claw. A creation of Surge Knives, the Coin Claw comes in a conveniently small yet incredibly practical design. It lives up to its name as a petite, circular pull-out knife, and the carved hawk-like blade neatly tucks back into the medallion. The blade's length is a mere inch, or 2.5 centimeters, and the entire piece, blade included, measures 2.6 inches, or 6.6 centimeters, with a feather-light weight of 0.88 ounces, or 25 grams. Carrying it around is as easy as pie. Its nifty size and design make it possible to be sported as jewelry around your neck or fastened to your keyring. Nymph. The Nymph embodies a tiny, slender knife meant to fit snugly into a custom-made phone case. It's designed in such a way that it clicks into place and can be extracted when required. This convenient device is designed to never be a bother or go missing. Crafted from 440C stainless steel, this tool remarkably merges strength with resistance to wear and tear, as well as stain repellents. While its ability to stay incognito makes for a great plot in an action-packed blockbuster, in reality, it's a different story altogether. Despite the entertaining notion of secret agents using such concealed weaponry, lawmakers around the world tend to frown upon these elusive gadgets. The fear is that they could become tools for criminal activities while remaining undetectable by standard security measures. Defender Ring. This creative ring is for daily self-protection, and the company makes stunning jewelry in silver, rose gold, or gold. Yet despite its seemingly simple exterior, the Defender Ring is more than just a decorative accessory. With a flair for the dramatic, the blade emerges from its hiding place in an entertaining display of mechanical genius. The sight is so unexpected and theatrical that it's almost easy to forget its true purpose: protection. Indeed, this dainty-looking instrument holds a secret punch, ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. While it won't cause serious damage, the impact on an attacker would be like piercing them with a thumbtack, which for most people is enough of a deterrent to leave you alone. Depending on your ring size and preference in aesthetic attachments, you can find blades varying from 0.4 to 0.6 inches, or 1 to 1.5 centimeters in length. EDC Outdoor Survival Paracord. Whether you're embarking on a camping adventure, going hunting, taking up the challenge of climbing, casting your line for a fishing trip, or simply strolling through the wilderness or countryside for long stretches, it's always wise to be prepared. The EDC Outdoor Survival Paracord is an all-in-one bracelet packed with 5 essential survival components. Surviving an evening in the wilderness is a lot easier with fire, thanks to the handy magnesium steel flint rod, coupled with a razor-sharp stainless steel striker, which also serves as an emergency knife. There is also a compact compass, a loud whistle, a wire saw for cutting through tough materials, and the paracord itself, which serves as the band of the bracelet. This versatile tool comes in several iterations, and some versions are equipped with small removable knives. One version resembles a keychain, but without the paracord component, with many regulations of carrying concealed weapons being illegal. The paracords that contain blades may invite legal scrutiny. Tiger Lady. This wonder is an innovative, unobtrusive, personal safety device, inspired by the retractable claws of a feline. It is a comfortable, handheld claw and is your portable companion for every place you visit. The talons even feature unique channels, leading toward the handle, which work together, samples of skin or blood from an attacker for subsequent identification purposes. Its compact, handheld, non-threatening, and retractable talons are crafted from toughened plastic. They are designed to be gripped during outdoor workouts or conveniently tucked into your handbag. These claws have a similar grip style as that of brass knuckles and weighing less than 2 ounces or 56 grams. They're effortlessly manageable and portable. Chances are high that these would be lawful in numerous regions, making them an excellent self-defense tool. Streetwise Triple Sting Ring. The freshly launched Streetwise Triple String Ring stun device is a tool for personal protection, providing assurance and safety within arm's reach. The Triple Sting Ring is essentially a knuckle brace equipped with a mini electroshock weapon or stun gun. The mechanism gets activated when pressure is applied to the little switch located on the rear side of the brace through your hand. The manufacturer claims that this device discharges an intense 28 million volts, which seems rather a lot given its modest size and cost-effective price tag. It is possible that it would at least generate somewhere in the range of 50 to 100,000 volts, as common stun guns usually produce around 100 to 150,000 volts. If indeed it does produce such high voltage levels, chances are it would be outlawed in many countries globally for safety concerns. Ridge Runner Key Folding Knife. Tucked away within a sleek black aluminum handle, the Ridge Runner Key Folding Knife is precisely that. A 420 stainless steel knife cleverly concealed in a key-shaped container, designed to dangle from your keyring. This little marvel, with its 2-inch or 5-centimeter blade, makes opening parcels child's play. However, despite its petite size and unassuming appearance, it packs enough punch to inflict significant harm on someone and could potentially be deemed unlawful for everyday carry. Pepper Ball Blast. While its name might lead you to believe it's just another run-of-the-mill pepper spray, the Pepper Ball Blast is far more intriguing. This gadget shoots miniature capsules filled with a powder that triggers skin irritation, induces coughing, and creates intense sensory confusion when it comes into contact with an attacker. What sets this apart is its range. The canister can be launched up to approximately 15 feet or 4.5 meters, offering a safer escape strategy as it eliminates the need for close proximity, like traditional pepper sprays necessitate. The Pepper Ball Blast serves as a perfect close-range resolution for law enforcement capable of carrying 3 powder charges in one shot. Schrade SCH-111. The Schrade company is renowned for its wide-ranging selection of survival tools and knives, including the compact and lightweight SCH-111 with a keen edge that can swiftly slice through materials such as ropes and nylons. This tool proves invaluable in survival scenarios. The SCH-111 boasts a weight of just 2 ounces or 56 grams and comes with its own miniature sheath that can be conveniently carried around and even sported like a pendant. Additionally, Schrade's product catalog extends to other survival knives varying in design, from the similar karambit style to transformable balisongs, butterfly, and box cutter designs. While these blades inherit their lethal potential from their sharpness, which makes them subject to local regulations, they're often not entirely concealed, much like most other types of blades on the market. Sabre Personal Alarm. The people at Sabre feel that your safety is their primary concern, no matter where you are. Their unique personal alarms are designed to command attention and deter potential threats in precarious situations. These compact devices can accompany you anywhere, even to places where pepper sprays may not be allowed, like airports or concert venues. Owing to their small size yet high functionality and top-notch design, Sabre personal alarms provide unmatched convenience for your mobile lifestyle. Within a portfolio of trusted personal alarm products, this petite orb-shaped alarm unleashes a potent sound reaching up to 130 decibels when the link chain is pulled. This level of noise can significantly confuse most individuals. It boasts an impressive reach, as the alarm can carry up to 1,250 feet, or approximately 380 meters. Under legal terms, it's harmless, since it's non-lethal and only has the potential to cause damage if positioned right next to one's ear. Black Ink Penknife. Indeed, the Black Ink Penknife is exactly what it sounds like, an unassuming, fully functional ink pen that not only serves as a writing instrument, but also hides a 2.5-inch or 6.3-centimeter blade within its structure. Simply give the knob a twirl to protrude the pen's nib, or dismantle it to expose the blade hidden within. It finds its home in a sturdy aluminum shell and weighs just 4 ounces or 113 grams. In many regions, possessions of such an item would be against the law due to its ability to fully hide the potentially deadly blade. If you enjoyed this video, click on the right of the screen for more content like this.